Hi everyone! Today I am excited to share with you a recipe that is steeped in cultural significance and flavor. A mouth-watering dish, a dish that will make you ask for more. It is also perfect for any meal. This dish is none other than grilled fish and plantain or bole. It has also become one of my favorite dishes. This is a staple dish in Nigeria, especially in Portharcourt. In fact, this dish originated from Portharcourt, where it is considered a street food with vendors often serving with spicy sauces. The fish and plantain are usually marinated with a blend of spices, peppers, making this dish both flavorful and aromatic. So let's dive in and see why this recipe is a must-try for anyone who loves fish and plantain. I'll start by cleaning the fish. I'm going to clean off the excess water and oil with a paper towel to prevent slips while cutting. I'm going to cut open the belly and remove everything here. The gills and the fins also need to go. Then I will go ahead and wash the fish. After washing, I'm going to dab the excess water with some paper towel. You can also put in a strainer and let it drain for about 15 minutes. I'm using mackerel or Titus fish because there's something about Titus fish that other fish like croaker or quanla do not have. For example, nutrients and taste. For me, Titus tastes better, and it's an oily fish with a lot of nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids. For the ingredients, I have diced onion, pepper mix, green chilies, fresh rosemary, palm oil, ripe but firm plantain, blended garlic and ginger, salt and fish seasoning. You have to make sure you have a very good palm oil. Once the oil is bad, it is going to ruin your entire dish, and I'm very sure you don't want that. Now let's make the marinade or sauce. I'm going to add the onion, pepper mix, palm oil, ginger and garlic, salt and seasoning into a plate and mix very well. Be careful with the salt because the fish seasoning also contains salt. I'm going to mix very well until all the ingredients are well combined. Now I will go ahead and make some incisions on the fish. I will also do the same with the plantain. These incisions will allow the fish and plantain to absorb the sauce very well. Now let's marinate. I'm going to rub the marinade all over the fish and make sure it gets inside all the cuts, belly and mouth. Apply the marinade all over the fish and make sure you are very generous with it. Feel free to use any fish of your choice, but for me, I prefer Titus or mackerel fish. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all for watching my videos and staying connected. And to my new viewers, thank you for stopping by. Kindly subscribe to this channel and stay connected. I'm going to do the same with the plantain. The next thing I'm going to do is to place the fish and plantain in an oven tray with a baking paper. For an extra flavor, I will be adding fresh rosemary. You can also use basil leaves, scent leaves or oregano. I just love the aromatic flavor of fresh rosemary. I'll also add the green chilies. Now I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes. This is when the proper absorption will take place. After 30 minutes, I will place in a preheated oven and grill at 168 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. If you don't have an oven, don't worry, you can also use the pot and salt method. Check my bread video for this. And here you have it, perfectly grilled fish and plantain or bole. Now let's do the plating. You see this food, don't bother using any cutlery. You have to dig in with your hands to get that traditional taste. This fish is so appealing and amazing. It is so flavorful and the sweet plantain add the perfect balance. I'm going to serve with some chili sauce made with palm oil and coleslaw by the side. You can also serve with some steamed vegetables. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you and stay tuned for more easy and tasty recipes. Enjoy!